A sound go to market or GTM strategy is critical for the sustenance of any company. GTM is a strategy outlining how a company will reach and establish a competitive position in the marketplace for its product, service, or brand. It is crucial because it provides a blueprint for delivering a product or service to the end customer, taking into account factors like pricing, sales channels, marketing, and customer segmentation. A well crafted GTM strategy ensures that a company can efficiently and effectively reach its target audience, achieve its sales goals, and gain a competitive edge in the market. It aligns the organization's effort towards a unified goal, helping to maximize the product or services success potential from the launch. In the recent months, in the last 1 year, we have come to the conclusion that AI now offers a powerful solution to the go to market bloat problem. And this is where this AI platform for GTM can help a lot. It is copy.ai, and already I can see some good potential there. Powerful AI with automation can help companies achieve systematic leverage, empowering every individual to accomplish more, both scalably and consistently. Each new workflow magnifies the force and compounds across the organization. But the thing is that there are other AI tools too, which do a really passable job, but they are targeting small, insignificant problems. For example, sales reps might use an AI assistant for small outreach or with the email, but email is just one step in the customer journey. Optimizing one email by itself provides limited impact to the entire go to market organization. And if you are just using it for email, then you're not really leveraging AI. AI needs deeper integration across tools, teams, and data. In order to try out this copy.ai, simply go to their website and I will drop the link in video's description. Just click on try for free, sign up with your email account, and then log in here. And then you can just browse through and play around with few things. I think for most of the good stuff, you would need to upgrade to the pro version. But still, you can appreciate some of the cool things here. For example, that this solution, which is a GTM or go to market A platform that sits above your tech stack, ingesting data from all sources and empowering automated workflows across teams. This unified approach allows AI to inform decision holistically across a customer lifecycle. You need to infuse AI across the entire GTM engine on a single unified platform. There are a lot of other things, but I believe where this copy.ai or any other similar tool like this would really outshine others and would really take advantage of the AI is where it will just take on all the grunt work, manual busy work, which just wastes time, and then it will allow the humans to be more creative, innovative, and customer centric. Where insights flow seamlessly across departments, leading to coordinated targeting and outreach, where every employee is empowered to accomplish more each day. This future is possible with this GTM with AI. Now, if you look at this console, there are a lot of things happening here. You can discover chat, for example. So if you click on new chat here, so I just need to click here. It is creating my project, as you can see. And now we can just start by writing a task and chat can do the rest. For example, if you're not sure what to do, you can check their prompt library, which is also available. Just click on browse prompts here. And for example, you just want to go with some of the, let's say, sales one. Let's say you want to do the analyze industry trends and then use this prompt. There you go. So just replace this industry with let me say construct construction, and I'll say maybe Australia where I am, and then press enter. And let's wait for it to come back. There you go. You can see that it has produced this report with all the industry trends like construction output, building permits, and all that stuff, and then also the conclusion. How cool is that? You can add it to editor and then play more around it. And I believe it also produces a brand voice. You can also attach your own data here and then use it. There are a lot of other things you can do here. For example, you can use this AI to analyze new prospect lists, considering attributes like industry, company size, technologies used to automatically score leads with real-time data live from the web, not stale out of the data from expensive data providers. You can also use like high value leads which are routed to sales reps. Now let's go back and check a few more things. So for example, you can tailor this chat to your own brand voice. So let's click on define your brand voice. And now you can just simply uh, add the content here. Let me make it a tad bit bigger. There you go. So you can add your own social media narrative about your brand, your service and company, and it is going to uh, analyze your brand voice. So let me actually just pick a fictitious company called a Solar Flare, and I used LLM to generate this line. So this is just a Solar Flare innovations company, a trailblazer in sustainable energy. So let's see what sort of brand voice it produces here. So it is analyzing my text. Let's wait for it to come back. So there you go. So whatever I had put in, it has just reworded it, and then it has given me a more professional looking and nicely written brand voice. You can save this brand voice or you can redo the analysis if you don't like it. Let's go back. So you can also browse example chats here. You can also check out the workflows of different kinds like sales and marketing, which are the two cornerstones of this process. So for example, if I go with the marketing workflow and click on expand my reach, and then from here you can check out different things like plagiarism checker, daily LinkedIn content and all that stuff around blogging, and a lot of things are there on one thing. And then you can check operations, enablement, training, and a lot of deal management, which looks really good. Prospecting is one of the hardest. Find phone number of contact and all that stuff. So how about this? Try this. How can I find a phone number? Okay, let me put in my email address here. I have put in my own email address. Please don't spam me. So let's run the workflow. Let's wait. So it hasn't found my phone number, thankfully, which is good. Okay, that is fine. Good to know. Now, there are a lot of other things, as I said, there are a lot of workflows which you can run. I'm not sure if at this point in time you can build on your own. On the left hand side, there are a lot of other things. So AI sales OS, which actually automates your whole sales process. So you can get started, you can browse through it, which I just showed you. There are a lot of other things where it is all about leads and all that marketing stuff and stuff. Beautiful. So that's it, guys. I hope that you liked it. I think I'm quite impressed by this tool. Try it out. Let me know. I will drop the link in video's description. And if you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as that helps a lot. Thanks for watching.